Hey Sarah, are you coming to the party tonight? Everyone is going to be there.
I wish I could, but I have a huge exam on Monday morning. I really need to stay here.
Come on, it's Friday night. You can study tomorrow and Sunday.
No, I can't. This exam covers the whole semester, and I don't know anything. I need to hit the books.
You always hit the books. You need to hit the dance floor instead.
If I fail this test, my parents will kill me. So I will be hitting the books all weekend.
That sounds miserable. I can bring you some pizza later if you want.
That would be great, but please don't distract me. I need to focus when I hit the books.
Okay, nerd, I'll leave you to it. Good luck hitting the books.
Thanks. Have fun at the party for me. Don't dance too hard.
I'll dance extra hard for you. Bye.
Bye. Now, where was I? Chapter 1.
I can't do it. My legs are falling off. I need to stop.
No, you don't. You are almost at the finish line, Tom. Hang in there.
Everything hurts. Why did I sign up for this? I want to go home.
You signed up to prove you are strong. Don't quit now. Just hang in there a little longer.
Look at that old lady passing me. She is so fast. I'm pathetic.
She is a professional runner. Focus on yourself. Hang in there and keep moving your feet.
I think I'm gonna throw up. Is that normal?
Yes, very normal. Just throw up and keep running. Hang in there.
You are a terrible friend, but okay, I will finish this.
That's the spirit. I see the finish line. Hang in there.
Pizza waiting for me?
Yes, huge pizza and ice cream.
Okay, I'm running. Hang in there, legs.
Tom, I need 3 steaks, 2 salads, and a soup. Now!
Already done, chef. Steaks are resting, salads are dressed, soup is plated.
Wow, you are fast today. Did you remember the gluten-free order?
Yes, table 4. No bread, extra veggies. It's already on the table.
Incredible! You are really on the ball tonight. What happened?
I drank 5 coffees. I feel like I can see into the future.
Well, keep it up. Being on the ball is what I like to see.
Wait, table 6 wants to change their order. Chicken instead of fish.
Can you handle it? It takes 15 minutes.
I already switched it. I'm on the ball, chef. I saw it coming.
You are scaring me, but good job. Keep moving.
Yes, chef, on the ball.
How did your presentation go, Tom? Did you get the funding?
It was a disaster. The whole thing went down in flames.
Oh no, what happened? Did you forget your speech?
Worse, my computer crashed and then I spilled coffee on the investor.
Ouch, that really is going down in flames. Did he get angry?
He shouted at me. It was tragic. Everyone was staring.
That sounds awful.
Yes, then I forgot his name. My career went down in flames today.
Maybe you can email him an apology and donuts?
I think it's better if he never sees my face again.
Probably true. Do you want a donut? It helps.
Yes, a sad donut. With sprinkles.
Tom, what happened to your leg? You broke it?
Yeah, I fell down the stairs last week. It hurt a lot.
That's terrible. You must be miserable stuck at home.
Actually, it was a blessing in disguise. I'm having fun.
How can breaking a leg be a blessing? You can't walk.
Well, Because I was in the hospital, I met a beautiful nurse.
Really? Did you get her number?
Yes, we have a date tomorrow. So losing my leg was good luck.
That is definitely a blessing in disguise, but don't break the other one.
I won't. Plus, I get to skip work for 2 weeks. My boss is crying.
Okay, now I'm jealous of your broken leg.
Want me to push you down the stairs? Just kidding.
Tom, please stop that noise. You are driving me up the wall.
What noise? Focusing helps me think.
Clicking your pen. Click, click, click. It's driving me up the wall.
Oh, sorry. I didn't notice I was doing it. It's calming.
You've been doing it for an hour. I'm about to scream.
Okay, I'll stop. How about this?
Now you are tapping your foot. That also drives me up the wall.
I have a lot of energy today. I can't sit still. I need to move.
Go run around the building. Just get out of here.
Fine, I'll go bother Dave. He likes rhythms.
Good. Drive him up the wall instead of me.
See you later. Okay, everyone, we have a lot of work to do. Let's get the ball rolling.
Can we wait for 5 minutes? I'm finishing my coffee.
No waiting. We need to get the ball rolling on the marketing plan.
But I don't have any ideas yet. My brain is asleep.
We will brainstorm together. Sarah, you start. Get the ball rolling.
Fine. How about we sell nothing? Just ideas?
That is a terrible idea, but at least you got the ball rolling.
Can we sell air? Everyone needs air. It's free supply.
See, now we are moving. Keep the ideas coming.
Bottled fresh air for rich people in gold bottles.
I actually like it. Good job getting the ball rolling.
I was joking, but okay. Can I finish my coffee now? Tom, look at these dishes. It's a mountain.
Oh, don't worry about those. That's just the tip of the iceberg.
What do you mean? There is more? How?
Look in the living room or under my bed. I'm sorry.
Oh my God, pizza boxes everywhere and flies.
I told you the sink was just the tip of the iceberg.
We need a shovel to clean this house and fire.
And look in the bathroom. Actually, don't look. Close your eyes.
How did it get this bad? It smells.
I had a lazy week. I played video games.
This isn't laziness. This is a disaster. Start cleaning.
Maybe we just burn the house down? Start fresh?
Tempting, but no. Get the soap.